Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Let me know in the chat what you've been up to. Welcome. I am just trying to fix my Streamlabs today. It is not working well, guys. Welcome. I don't know why it's not working, but let's not worry about that right now. I can still switch it up in Streamlabs, so we're good. But our Stream Deck is not working today. Maybe we should just unplug it and plug it in again. That will do. Today we're gonna be just trying to learn Gemini 2.5 Flash image. This is one of these models that came out recently, and people are curious about what they can do. What's up, my man? How's it going on your side? We're gonna be exploring Gemini Flash 2.5 image today. So let me do this. I don't know if you guys can notice. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I put my camera in a different position. Hopefully that's more streamer-like. But okay, let's see. Maybe it's kind of like in the way. Yeah, I don't know if I like this more. Maybe I should move this down here. Yeah, guys, let me know if it's easier to read stuff like this or in the corner right there. Okay, let me pop chat out. Let me know how's your day going. I like bottom left better. Okay, cool. Yeah, gotta spice it up once in a while. Okay, let's take a look at this. Gemini 2.5 Flash. Nano Banana. Who came up with these names? Nano Banana. State-of-the-art image generation editing model. Okay. This update enables you to blend in multiple images into a single image. Maintain character consistency. Make targeted transformations using natural language and use Gemini's world knowledge to generate and edit images. World knowledge. So they came out with a world model recently, I think. and you can generate like video games footage that you can interact with and play. That I thought that was pretty cool. Maybe that's where AGI is, and not like language models. When we first launched native image generation in Gemini 2.0 Flash earlier this year, you told us, I didn't tell them anything, you told us you loved its low latency, cost effective, and ease of use. But you also gave us feedback that you needed higher quality images and more powerful creative control. This model is now available via Gemini API and Google AI Studio. Let's try that. Okay. Gemini native image. Let's try this. This model has a limited free quota for testing. Try an app? What? What do you mean? Try an app. Oh, what the hell? Oh, this is like Google's V0 or something. AI powered photo editing simplified. Okay, so I guess it's asking me to find an image. I'm gonna find one for my photos. Yeah, so today we're just gonna play around with this and then see if we understand how it works, and then, you know, and then we can build with it. So upload image. I'm just gonna upload one of these images that I took yesterday. Okay, let me share my screen again. Open. Okay. Retouch, crop, adjust, filter, synthwave, apply filter. Okay. And we can vibe code this app even more as well. Also, ooh, okay. I want to see how long it took to generate all this stuff. What about anime? It takes a couple seconds, I'd imagine. It's not super fast, but it's fast enough. Like, this is actually pretty fast, in my opinion. Is it still running? Reset. Glitch. Yeah, I want anime. Okay. So we got this. I think there's some weird artifacts in the back here. I just don't know what that is. But yeah, this part looks good. I don't know if this is anime. This looks like GTA 5 artwork. Lomo. Okay, let's see. Retouch, reset. What if I select this part right here? Oh. What is this? Okay, remove the stop sign. I wonder if that can do it. And have consistency throughout the image. That'll be pretty sick. Okay, so stop sign is out. Compare, let's see. Okay, so image consistency is fine. I feel like it did shift a little bit. I wonder if it's because the image was moved and like compression made it look like it's changed, or is it that the model made changes to it? Because let me just double check it. What if I zoom in? I can't even zoom in on this thing. Blur background, warmer lighting, studio light. Okay, let's try that. And this app is completely free, and yeah, I guess we can see the code on the side here as well. Okay. Okay, let's see. Somebody definitely vibe coded this app. Gemini service. Okay. Okay. I'll definitely steal some of this code when I build my own stuff. Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview. Okay. Yeah, it's a very cool model. We know that now. This is studio light? I don't know if I like this. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about Gemini 2.5 Flash image. I don't know if you've tried it before or you've seen it or anything like that, but this came out like what, yesterday? Like, I knew about this for like a while now because I'm in the early access group for Gemini, because my company is part of the part of their like startup program, whatever. So they put me on like a beta list for a lot of these things, but I can't talk about it. That's part of the NDA part. But I mean, this is cool. It's officially GA. We need to use this for something. So I think on stream a couple of days ago or yesterday. Oh, I can switch now. Yay. Oh, we're back. On stream yesterday, I was talking about maybe using this model to build like an app on my phone that I can use to try different types of furnitures in my space. So maybe I'll give it like an image from, let's say like Wayfair, and then put that in, take a photo of my new apartment and then put that little thing in there and then see if it looks good. Let's say I'm looking for a coffee table. The coffee table that I want to get should look either like this or like this. Like my dining table kind of look like this. So maybe like something like this would be nice. Ooh, this one slides up. That's cool. Ooh, this one looks cool as well. Ooh, they all look pretty nice on photos. This also looks cool. I don't know what I'm looking for though. Like, they all look kind of nice. I don't know what to get. Maybe that's why I need to try them all out. Oh, this looks nice too. What the? It's hard to pick one. I like this one as well. I like them all. I feel like Wayfair is the place to get like cheap furnitures that look good on photos. This also is really cool. Like, I'm like how blocky this looks. Perhaps it could be this color, or it could be this color. Oh, it's a person. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. They have a whole video for this. It's cool. So a lot of times when you're buying furniture, you don't know what they'll look like in your space. So what you do is you kind of like try to imagine it. But now with AI tools, you can probably put that furniture in your space. But Gemini 2.5 Flash image. What's the pricing on this? I wonder. Okay. Oh, wow. Input. Input, if you put in one image, you pay $0.3. That's actually quite a lot. Haha. Want to do like 10. That's $3 right there. Output's not too bad. How is Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview pricing compared to Midjourney, OpenAI's, and other alternatives? This is what I love about Perplexity, because it's just combine multiple creates into one for me. Let's see. I'm just looking at furnitures right now. I probably shouldn't be though. I should just commit to one, honestly. I like this one. I kind of like this one. I do like. I wonder if I like this one more or this one more. Maybe this one. Yeah, so I want to be able to like throw this in, plus an image of a space, and then be able to see what it looks like. And I might be able to use this app as well, because it has all the utility functions to call Gemini. I can just be like, add a new feature where user can upload an image of their apartment and another image of a furniture, and it'll generate an image where the furniture is placed in the space. Okay, so it's running Gemini 2.5 Pro, I'm assuming for free, because Google has a lot of money. They can just let you use this for free. Okay, I'm guessing if I'm typing in the corner there, you guys won't be able to see it. So I'm gonna move myself this way. Yeah, that's probably better, hopefully. Ooh, I was thinking a lot. It's nice that they give us like an app like this to just tinker with. And we have all this code as well. But this thing is still thinking. Meanwhile, I'll take a look at what furniture I want. I think this one's cool too. I might get this one. At AI Tinkers Houston, someone demoed an app for Lazy Boy to put furniture in their room. It worked, but they had an issue with scaling the furniture to match the room. Oh, so like the sizing is like bad? That's interesting. Maybe the secret lies in the prompt. And let me know if they're using Gemini models or something that came before that, because maybe Gemini would be better at it. Who knows? This is definitely a 3D render, but looks very realistic. Oh, actually no, never mind. That's a person. What is this? I do like this. I think it looks nice. Yeah, I think it's very simple. It looks like a macaron or a cupcake or something. It looks cool. They used Google Agent Development Kit. Oh, was this a long time ago? Because this model just became GA recently. So I'm curious if they're using something else. This is kind of gonna look like my apartment, honestly. Like, it kind of is gonna look like my apartment. But yeah. These are cool. Oh, I'm not gonna get lost in looking at furniture today. But I want to see with this. Oh no. You would think that this is working, but it's not. It's not there yet. Google stuff is not there yet. Download the app. Okay, let's see what it's trying to do here. I have high hopes for this. Is it writing code right now? It looks like it's writing code, but I don't know if it actually is writing code. I don't know what the hell it's doing. This is actually horrible. Like I thought this would be better. So whatever this is that AI Studio has, it's not a good look, honestly. Let's see. Oh, Image Gen 4. Okay. Oh, I want to see how much this costs compared to the other ones. Put it in a table. Okay, it's writing code now. So this whole time was reasoning for 101 seconds, almost 2 minutes of reasoning. And now it's writing code. I'm gonna wait and see how this looks. But okay, Gemini indicative cost per image. Okay, $30 per 1 million image tokens. Why do they still do tokens? That's funny. We're not gonna look at Image Gen 4. Midjourney, $30 a month with relaxed generations. OpenAI, ChatGPT. Okay, so it's pretty cost effective compared to the other ones. Yeah, and better as well. Yeah, it's good. I feel more comfortable using it now. But when is this gonna be done? Oh my god. Still doing it. Definitely looks rough on the edges, around the edges. Not super not a super sleek UI like V0. I think it's V0.app now, I think. There we go. Maybe you could try this. Very nice. Ooh. Oh, that's actually cool. Oh, wow. Oh, that's fucked. It was. The render behind. But this is very nice. GitHub UI. Oh, wow. GitHub clone. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Very impressive. While This is like struggling. Hey Lightning, how's it going? Welcome back to the stream. Okay, app is ready, I'm assuming. Upload. Okay, let me upload an image here real quick. Show my face. Okay, click on upload. It's now freezing my computer. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna take this photo here and then bring you back. Okay, okay, designer. Okay, your room, your furniture, generate design. Okay, sweet. Let's try this. Apartment in empty luxury apartment nowadays just means you have washer and dryer in your apartment. Doesn't mean much. But let's say 1 bedroom. Trying to find a place that looks like kind of like my new place. Perhaps this? No. Maybe this? Honestly, probably Just trying to find a spot that looks somewhat similar to where I'll be living. Otherwise, what's the point of doing this? But they all have like Oh, that's beautiful. It's actually stunning. Okay, we just gotta pick one. And my pick is, man, got this thing in the middle. Let's see. This is not where I live, by the way. I'm just looking for a place to take their images and use it for mine, but they usually are decked out with stuff in it, so hard to do that. Yeah. Empty 1 bedroom apartment, modern. Can I just get one image, please? One image without any furnitures in it. It's kind of hard, but I don't need to find the perfect one. I'm just gonna pick one that looks somewhat similar to where I live. I keep saying that over and over. Can't make up my mind. Yeah, screw it. I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so we got this. We're gonna save the image to downloads, and then we're gonna go back to our app, and then we're gonna upload your room, right? Your room, and then your furniture. We're gonna go to one of these. I think I was looking at this one, and I'm gonna save image as, boom, and then I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go drop this in, generate design. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't have a lot of trust in Gemini. Okay, let's see. Oh. Let me see the image. There it is. Okay, the image is this. Okay, so it kind of cropped it a little bit, and then it put the furniture in there. I think for the companies like Dwayne, like you said, like the companies that are in the space, kind of hard to figure out the scale of things, I would imagine. But it was able to like perfectly crop this one to just by itself. I wonder if it'll help in the prompt if we put in dimensions of the product. So for example, maybe like some sort of something to scale would be nice. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it does look quite interesting, but I want to put maybe like a set of chairs in here or something. Try and do that. Dining chairs. Trying to find chairs that kind of looks like what I would have. Maybe not these ones. Maybe these ones. Natural or dark. Oh, natural looks kind of funky. Okay, let me try this one then. Save. Drop these in, and then I want to see if it's gonna pops up anything extra, like a table. Like we didn't put a table in here, right? So I wonder if it's gonna do some of that. That's horrible. That's horrible sizing. That chair is huge. Yeah, this technology is quite funky. I wonder how people do it. Like, do they like? I mean, like the perspective is, I guess, is kind of right. We can also do it in like multiple nodes as well. What we can do is we can say, like, instead of one-shotting this and put it in here, we first put the note, and like the lighting is warped here for some reason, which is funky as hell. Yeah, like you see how like the lighting is like funky as hell here. Yeah, it's not great. But I guess what we could do, at the door is open. Like, we didn't. What? One of these things that came out of nowhere. Yeah, this is funky as hell. Anyways, as I was saying, what we can do is we can generate like potentially the coordinates. So first we drop in like the image of the furniture, and then we have a node to like just crop it out, just get the item without the background in, like with the white background, or just in the back, the caption in the back, and then we have a clean image, which we could then use to generate a 3D representation of it. And I think Meta has a model for that. What is the most recent Meta model to generate a 3D object out of an image? Because once we have 3D representation of things, the perspective thing is much easier to deal with. I think it's asset gen. Oh, is it? I guess it is then. Read article. Plastic Battleground. This game looks cool. I might actually play it. Oh, he's Vietnamese. Yay, that's cool. That's cool. It's cool, man. Let's see. I'm trying to find if there's another model that supports like 3D generated asset. If that one's the right one to use. I think that's the one. I think whatever we found. Yeah, this one. Asset Gen 2.0. So we drop in an image, I'm assuming. Yeah. Today we're introducing Meta's latest 3D foundation model, Asset Gen 2.0, which is designed to create high quality 3D asset. Asset Gen 2.0. Okay, cool. I want to see the before and after, like the photo and then like the asset. Okay. Where's the model? Looks very nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, is it not gonna play? Come on. Pug? Okay. Instant mesh, asset gen. Okay. Input view. So okay, you took a couple of photos. Okay, and then it's like that. All right. Because one, it's the 3D representation, and then we have the 3D representation of the room. Then you can move things around, unless there's an algorithm to calculate like how things are supposed to be viewed from that perspective in the image. But obviously, it's nicer if you have the 3D representation of your space, right? And then you can put furniture in it. Obviously, it's much better that way. Sorry. So we could potentially host this on like Modal or something. And this is the first version of Asset Gen. So the second version is probably gonna be better. Asset Gen 2. What the heck am I looking at? Asset Gen 2 Meta. Interesting. Yeah, it's not right. But yeah, I mean. Oh, these are 3D viewers. This is the first Asset Gen though. 2024. Okay, we won this. I'm gonna find this. Look at the shine in this thing. It's so cool. Okay, I don't know where I can find this, but any other releases? The model releases that are more recent than this one. I wonder if there's more out there. From other companies. Copilot 3D? What? Is this real? This is hallucination. I never heard this. Ooh, what? What? No way. No way. Okay, hold on. Oh, get out of here. Here, let me just log in real quick. Continue with Microsoft. Microsoft Online. Come on, let me in. Let me in. It looks good. Okay, we're back. Upload image. Are you serious, bro? Who built this? Oh, there we go. What? Already logged in. Why am I like this? Oh my god. Who built this? It's stupid. Sign in. Sign in. Sign in. Sign in. Yes, stay sign in. Okay, now I got kicked back to a different screen. Make image. Think deeper. Okay. Get advice. No, I want to generate 3D images. What the hell am I doing here? Okay, we're back, I think. Okay. Nice. Whoever built this UI, you gotta allow drag and drop. You can't be doing that. Oh, this thing is like not JPEG. Hold on, let me take a JPEG. Boom. JPEG. Create. Oh, I'm like actually excited about this. Technologies that will never see the light of day because nobody knows about them. How long is this gonna take? Yeah, Microsoft Copilot 3D is probably the most recent one. Oh, 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 oh my god. What? Why is it like this? Does it look anything like the image? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think this is useful. Recreate. I mean the legs are fine, but let me see. I'm guessing I need some sort of prompt. Like I need to prompt it better or something. Like basically describing the image so it pays attention to certain things or something. I don't know. Well, this is my first try, so. God dang. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do like I don't know if I want to do like an app that does interior design because obviously that's like difficult now that I realize it, unless the photograph is taken a certain way. But what I want to do instead is maybe like an app where you upload your own images and then it does something to it. Like the whole Ghibli stuff was funny, right? It was fun. A lot of people used it, but what else is hot out there? Like what are people trying to do with their images? Let me know in the chat. Like what other people are trying to do with the images? Are they dropping them into these AI tools? Or are they hiring people to do them? Oh, you know what? Oh, this is so dumb. I was on Instagram. I've been on Instagram a lot this week, but I've been seeing these memes of people, maybe on X, people posting images of themselves with AI generated girlfriends. So they will take a photo of themselves, just by themselves, and then they will like add like a person next to them, and that person obviously looks very real because it's this new model, right? Um, wonder if I should build something around that. That'd be funny. Um, it'll be even more insane if like you drop in like an image of someone else, and now you add that person into the image with you. That would be like the full like Blade Runner kind of like memory editing thing. Or here's another one. We can also make something that if you drop an image of you and your ex in it, and then it removes your ex. But you gotta describe who the ex is in the photo, otherwise how would the AI know, right? But that would also be useful. So you drop it in, you basically, maybe you like the photo, maybe it's a group photo. You like erase your ex out of your photo, and now the photo is usable again. Yeah, we got some ideas. I think I'll stay away from the interior stuff. I'll build something fun. Or what we can do is we can build an app where we take somebody's like Tinder profile or like an online dating profile. We take all of their images, and then we just like, I don't know, like generate ones that fit their profile. Like, let's say if they say that they like traveling or whatever, they don't have any photos of themselves traveling. We can take their headshot, and then we can like throw up some crazy like travel images or something like that. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah. It's just that like this, for this model, the subject consistency is pretty good. That's why we can kind of like make people iterate on an image over and over. We used to be able to do this through like this process with control net models and stuff like that, with like Comfy UI, but now it's much easier. You just prompt it, which is crazy. Yeah, I wonder if Dwayne says, my friends and I are trying to see if we can create a smart mirror with an app that lets you select clothes you want to buy, look in the mirror, and see what those clothes would look like on you. That's a great idea. I wonder. I'm just trying to figure out, like, in my own use case, like what would I need like this for? Like trying out different hairstyles probably is a good one. I don't know how accurate that is though. Trying on clothes, definitely. Yeah, the problem is the fit. Exactly. Yeah. Maybe the key is to work with almost like a stylist to figure out how clothes should fit, like what the physics of it should be like for each different types of clothing. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out like, an idea of what to build with this, because I don't have one yet. So a disclaimer that's very approximate. Yeah, but they won't be useful. It'll give you an idea, but it won't be useful. I'm trying to think like. Oh, you know what? You know what would be like extremely funny? An app that turns you in like a performative male image. So if you don't know what a performative male looks like, this is what a performative male looks like. Yeah, so what I can do is I can allow people to upload their own photos and their own like whatever, and then I will just like we'll have a prompt that kind of like puts these things on them. make them look very performative. And if you're wondering what a performative male means, it means some people are taking up, hobbies and things that women usually like, with the intention of like getting with the woman. Well, I'm not saying this is bad or anything, because a lot of times when you do this, turns out the stuff is good. Maybe you pick up a book and you're like, holy shit, this is kind of good, and then it becomes part of your identity. But this is like a very much like a Gen Z thing. Yeah, so these are traditionally things that women would like, women in their 20s, and guys are picking them up. So I think what I'll do is I'll make a performative male generator. So if you ever wonder what you would look like as a soft femboy, this app will help you figure that out. I think it'll be hilarious. So the problem would be something like, okay, so put this kind of clothes on them, put this kind of clothes on them. We might need like a database of like different clothings. We can even build an agent to figure out like what style will fit them, and then kind of like throw different like items on them, essentially, like I actually don't know what that is. Does bad things, guy lost twin brother. Okay, let me go look that up. I actually don't know what you're talking about. Oh, I wasn't showing my screen, but essentially, performative males look kind of like this. And yeah. Anyways, let me look this up. I don't know if this is safe for work, but I'm gonna look at what you mean, what you're saying. Oh, this is funny. Yeah, kind of like, let's see. I have to ask Perplexity what is to someone who doesn't know. Okay. Evil twin. Yeah, I don't know if this is relevant to what you're saying, but this is cool. I like learning these like pop culture tidbits. But yeah, we'll build that performative male generator with Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview. We will build in a day, and it'll be so much fun. Alright, guys. Good thing that we have figured out what we're gonna build tomorrow. I think I won't have internet access Saturday, so I won't be streaming Saturday, and maybe not Sunday, because Sunday is when I'm setting up my Wi-Fi in my new place. But starting Monday, it's normal again. Tomorrow's Thursday, so I'm still streaming. Still gonna make. We're gonna start planning out what we want our performative male generator app can do, and then we'll take it from there. So I gotta go do some stuff. I will see you guys tomorrow. Be good.